Fractions of quantities. We're learning about fractions. I hated fractions at school. I never seemed to understand them, so I'm going to make this tutorial really simple and try and explain how to find fractions of quantities so that you get it and you can do them. But remember, you can always rewind this video, watch it again and again and again until you know how to do this. So you need to learn how to find a fraction of a number or quantity. So for example, you might be asked to find half of 24. If we need to find half of something, we divide it by 2. So half of 24 is 12. Anything where it asks you to find half of something, whether it is an amount of money or amount of pizza, then all you need to do is divide that amount by 2. That's easy peasy. So let's move on to something trickier. What if we're asked to find a third of something, like a third of 30? Well, easy. We just divide our number by 3. So a third of 30, we just need to divide 30 by 3, which is 10. What about quarters? Well, we just need to divide our cake or pizza by 4. And again, if we're finding fifths of something, we just divide it by 5, and so on. So to recap, if you need to find a half, a third, a quarter, or a fifth of something, then you divide your number by the denominator, by the bottom part of the fraction. Okay, now things are going to get even trickier. What if the question asks you to find a fraction of amount of, say, 2/3 or 3/5? Let's look at an example. So let's look at 2/3 of 30. We want to find 2/3 of 30. Well, you find a third first, which we know how to do because we just divide by 3. Then you multiply by 2. So let's have a closer look. So to find 2/3 of 30, we want to find 1/3 of 30 first. And to find 1/3, we're just dividing our number by the denominator by 3. So 30 divided by 3 equals 10. So we found a third, but we want to find 2/3. So we have to times our number by 2. So 10 times 2 equals 20. So 2/3 of 30 is 20. Let's have a look at another example. Let's find 4/5 of 45. So again, we need to find a fifth first. So to find a fifth of 45, all we're going to do is divide 45 by 5. So 45 divided by 5 is 9. But we want to find 4/5. So we need to times our 9 by 4. 9 times 4 is 36. So 4/5 of 45 is 36. That's it. End of the tutorial. You did it. Well done. You learnt how to find a fraction of an amount, which can be really tricky. So if you're still unsure, then you can go through the lesson summary where I go through more examples. But if you think you've mastered it, then complete the worksheet.